So here's a part 3 question. How do you think AI will affect people's jobs? Listen to this one without any coherence. AI shakes things up in the real world. Companies can save money because it's more efficient and convenient to use AI. Computers don't make mistakes. But many jobs will be lost. Customer service, editing, writing, and many technology-related jobs will be replaced by AI. People's standard of living goes down. They will need new skills and change jobs. So what's wrong with the speech? Well, it's presented sentence by sentence without any connectors. So the whole speech doesn't